It's Learning Cat here. And today, we just came back from the White Elephant sale, which is stuff people don't want, so we bought it, and it's all in front of us.
We're gonna be showcasing it, so yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Gonna
Enjoy.
Play the video.
Enjoy.
Yeah. First things up is this little lounge chair, and also has a match here. And this table also goes with it.
So this is all of the things here.
Pretty nice.
Yeah.
So now we have, we're still in the packet.
Which is great.
It's this little Tatty Teddy set. And it comes with cakes, a table, chair. We got it for the furniture, and also this little kitty with an apron on. It's pretty nice.
And there's a little cupcake stand.
Yeah,
so
cool.
that was a good find because it was still in the packet. So yeah.
So next we have this mint green bed for a doll, and this mint green couch.
It has little cushiony texture to it. There's some texture on the side, little floral designs.
Yeah, they're nice.
Which is nice.
So then we have these ponies. So first is up a mini Fluttershy. She doesn't have wings, unfortunately. They got lost or something. And then we have this
My Little Pony.
Twilight Sparkle. She has some paint on her, and she got some more stains, but she's pretty cool.
Okay, and then the next thing is this little Hatchimals crab. This is one of the new ones because I haven't seen this one before, so it's pretty cool. And it has it's pretty cool.
Next, we have some figurines. So here is a lion and a rhinoceros.
Okay.
They're pretty cool.
And then there's this little mirror thing. It's here's Helen. It's little jewels and stuff, so that's pretty cool.
Now here's some other stuff. So here's a wheelbarrow with some gardening stuff in it. A suitcase which opens, and there's a lot of room in there.
A lot of room.
And lastly, we have some glasses. Some nice heart.
All right. Then I found this little bracelet, which we could use for the LPS necklaces and stuff.
Yeah.
Which is pretty cool. And then there's this little picnic basket. It's made of plastic rubber, and it's pretty good. And it has room.
Here is a long brown table with some flower prints in the corners, and yeah.
Okay, then there is this little beanie. I'm not sure if it's for an LOL or something else, but we thought it would be cool for the LPS.
And then we have this Shopkins Happy Places little cactus. And to go with that, we have this little blue stool. Nice color. And then we have this random gold chain necklace.
Okay, then there's this little bed. And it has storage underneath, which is good. And then there's this little
random thing.
I'm not sure what it is. It might be eggs or muffins. We just picked it up because we just wanted to get it.
Then this is a really cool find. We found an LPS, the only one that was there.
We
Pretty
do not
nice
have
find.
this one.
Look, it's got some brown paws, and its tail unfortunately is missing, but he still looks fine without it. He's pretty cool. We don't have this one yet.
So then there's this little Shoppy doll. Go get the other one.
Here is the other one too. We're not sure what their names are, but
this is Donatina.
I don't know what this name is, but they're pretty good condition. They just need some cleaning, and their hair needs to be fixed or something. Yeah. But they're really nice, and I like the little candies there. So yeah.
But they did not come with their skirts, unfortunately. And then we have this My Little Pony. Old mail posting truck you can see on the side, and
nice.
We can start put the mail there.
Yeah.
We have a few of these. Used to have 3 of these sets, and there's little hearts on the wheels. The wheels do move, and yeah.
Here's this little gold panda face cup. You can see that.
Not really, it's not focusing.
No,
but it is a panda face.
Yes, and then next we have this Peppa Pig bunk bed. It's really cool. We just found this randomly, and it fits LPS pretty well. So yeah.
Okay, and then there's this little chair. It's kind of broken here, but it has like little flowers, I'm guessing, or cherries, or fruit, something like that. And it has like a little design, and yes, it's pretty cool. Okay, so
Guys, I hope you liked our video, and should we share what we like the most?
yeah, I think so. Okay,
You can go first, Kat.
this would have to be my favorite one because it's still in the package and it's great condition, and it comes with really good stuff, and these don't sell anymore, so it's pretty nice.
Yeah.
Well,
And I think my favorite thing would have to be this LPS because I didn't expect to find one here.
and then also this thing here is like the bunk bed, and you can like see. I'll show you how to put the bed in, and we're gonna actually open this.
Yeah, this Tatty Teddy's Blue Nose, my Blue Nose friends.
Yeah, so I'm gonna open it.
Let's open it. Oh my gosh, okay. Whoa, this is
We're gonna
hard.
open that.
You might need some help, Kat.
Okay, we'll just rip off the back, and then you
I'll
get,
show up
then you get
camera.
everything out, and I'll show them like the checklist and yeah, don't forget to comment down below what your favorite
Okay,
thing was
we
that we
got
picked
it
up.
out.
I'm just gonna open it.
Okay, here's the collector's guide, and look at this nice wooden floor here. That's pretty cool.
Can you take that out?
So, what we have in here.
Oh, we can take it out.
Oh, we can have a checklist. So let's just look at this first. Oh, this is cool. So look, we have some things here, animals here, and oh, we already have this
Binky. His name's
Binky, this panda, and now we're gonna have another one. So yeah, pretty cool.
Okay, well, so I just got all of it out of the packaging. So this is which appears to be a tablecloth
that
Go
goes on here.
ahead. This little table.
Have to get on. Yeah. Okay.
Then there's this like little cupcake tray here. One has a
Nice.
cherry, and which can go on the
Here
table.
is a little blue chair, which like this bit's like bendy. It's
Wait,
really cool
okay,
texture. It's wood grain
Oh,
too.
and I fit on it, which is nice.
Then we have this figurine cat with a little apron that matches the tablecloth, and she's super fuzzy and soft.
Which has elastic
Yeah.
to secure it, and which
Yeah, I
you
like
can
it.
take it off and on. And she does sit on the chairs, and
you can make them.
we think this is
So
just a
that's
really
pretty
good find.
cool. And we are going to be the shoppies. We are going to be fixing them up, but we're not going to film that because
Um,
yeah. So yeah.
thank you for watching.
Bye. Subscribe.
Like and subscribe.